What's up, guys? So I just got this package in. It came over from WellVisors. They're actually one of the only ones that have the visors right now for the Veloster second gen. So that's any second gen and also Veloster N all included in it. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on today. So let's go ahead and take a look. I think they are the only ones that I know that are reputable that have 4 visors, not just 3 for the actual 3 windows. So let's go ahead and open it, see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. So should be pretty easy to open. And we got some tape. Actually got here pretty quick. Got here in about, I ordered them on Wednesday when they were back in stock, because they've been going out of stock actually quite frequently. And they got here today. Today's Monday, so it was actually pretty quick. I know a couple other people that ordered these, and around the same time frame, Wednesday, Thursday, and they started getting them today too. So if you guys ordered them and you guys haven't gotten them yet, you will. Last piece of tape here. Don't have it laid on me. There we go. Let's see here. Let me flip the camera around here. See some tape in the top too, where they open from. I'm opening this a little quick here. Kind of excited to go ahead and do this. I had visors on my Optima and I love them. So let's see. Go. And open the box, kind of tore it, but this is what it looks like when you open it. You actually get greeted with installation instructions, well, telling you to go to their website, and then a phone number or email address as well. So let's see here what this looks like. Put it over here. So, looks like we have a driver one. Pretty long. Yep, that's driver. This would be rear passenger, rear driver, and front passenger side. You also get looks like you get a couple different things here. Some alcohol pads, and let's see here. Looks like we get some adhesive as well. So let's go ahead and see how hard they are to put on. Alright, so as I'm getting the first one ready here, you'll see that they actually have some hooks here, and that'll hook it into the channel here. And it's actually pretty nice. It has their logo here and everything, and they come protected so that way it's not messing anything up or scratching one another. So you got to take off that protective there, and we'll go ahead and install it in the rear here. It is all double-sided tape, all the way. Seems like it's gonna be a real easy install. The way it was designed goes right up in there, so you'll be able to really line everything up pretty easily. So let me go ahead and get this installed and let you know how this first one goes. Always make sure that when you work with anything you're gonna put on the car, double-sided tape or what have you, that you clean it. In this case here, we're doing it with alcohol wipey here to make sure that the surface is all clean. Go ahead and get that all cleaned up there. And it all has double-sided tape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna peel a little bit off, just a corner here, because I don't wanna, have to move it around a little bit and not be able to adjust because it all settled in and it's all got double-sided tape. So I'm gonna fold that corner out like that, and I'm also going to do the same thing for this part here. I forgot who showed me that. I think when my best friend showed me that a while ago. He was working on his XB, I think, years ago. So that we can get through the clip real quick here. Go from there. Okay. Here, I'm actually going to lift just ever so slightly so I can get under here and put it back up there so it clips in. There we go. And get that part. And we have one on. We're gonna go ahead and do this one as well. Little one. So this is the rear for the driver's side here. Fit like so. That's what I like about this one, that it has for all four, so we don't have to worry about not having it all put together correctly. So here we do the same thing. Peel a little bit, point it out, just like I'm doing here. So you see how it's pointed out a little bit? So we'll do that on every part that has double-sided tape here. And I'll make sure that I check it all. Didn't notice that last corner on the driver's side. So that's good there. We'll go ahead and place it. And that is a full driver's side. So now let's go to the passenger side. All right, so just like we did with the other side, we're gonna go ahead and wipe the surface down, make sure that it's clean. And WellVisors provides 2 of these that go ahead and make it very easy to get everything on, because they're plenty big. and take care of everything for us. So let that dry for a second. We got the visor. Now from here is the passenger one. Same thing. Double-sided tape on all the corners. And then you're gonna see that there. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. So we got that gone there. Take off the residue. Perfect. Same thing for this back one as well. I actually like that it has these little hooks. It'll keep it secure. On the Optima, I didn't have the WellVisors branded ones. Some eBay ones that I had on that one, and actually flew off while I was on the freeway. So go ahead and peel the tape the same way. Got it there. Peel this corner up as well. So you got that. Got these little ones here. These I'm gonna go ahead and take off all the way because they're tiny. So I won't be able to really get to them once the visor's on. So also get this corner here. Oh man, that's funny. One of my friends just drove by. So once we got this corner peeled ready as well, go ahead and stick. By that time the alcohol's already dried up, so we're good to go there. In that area, so let's go ahead and put this sucker on. Again, actually I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. Looks like it makes it a little easier to work with like that. These clips. And then got ourselves front passenger on. Rear passenger here, and because this is actually a window, this is going to have the hooks as well. Quality is actually really nice on it. It's not blacked out, which I like. It's tinted, so I actually like that. You know, it's not completely blacked out. Oh, this one actually goes all the way to the end, so it has like a little step. So if you notice here, it has a little raised edge there. Got another little one right here. And here, looks like we're done. So, gonna go ahead and move this guy around here a little bit. So there we go. Same deal here. Go ahead and check it out. Fitment before we 100% go on. I actually really like this here. So and we now have the rear passenger. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk around the car, clean up the mess I made, so that way you guys can see what it looks like all put together. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned up after all the double-sided tape stuff. So this is what the driver's side looks like. I actually really like it. Of course, there's gonna be smudges and everything right now from me touching it all over the place. But I really do like it. The quality of it is really nice. Actually, the finish is really nice too. This will allow me to have my windows cracked open if it's raining or what have you. Sometimes I like to just have them cracked open during the day when I'm not in the car, so that way air can come in. And this is the passenger side. Now what really surprised me on this side is that I thought it was gonna cut off right here, because this is the end of the window. It actually, they made it so it came all the way to the end, which is really nice. And then here's the driver's side, and again, just like the back, goes all the way to the front, which I really, really like. So first impressions about the WellVisors here for the second gen Veloster. Actually, really, really nice. Really easy to install. It's like a 1 out of 5. Really easy to do. And it gives the car a different little look, you know, for not a lot of money. I mean, this was sub $100. So definitely gives you a nice little aesthetic look here. And it's functional because you'll be able to roll with your windows just cracked, and they won't go anywhere because remember, they also have these clips that they have here. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. If you're liking all the content that I'm making, make sure you go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button. It helps me out quite a bit. Also hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified when I make new video. I've kind of been doing premieres instead of just putting them out there. Let me know if you like that. If you don't, I'll change it back to just, you know, putting them out there and not premiering them. But I kind of like the premiere because I'm able to talk to you guys while the video is going and get some real-time feedback. So I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys later, and let me know what you guys want to see next. All right, guys, catch you in the next one.